Hi, my name is Jonathan, and I'm a member of the scriptwriting team at Gemiini. In this video, I'll be talking about how to use Gemiini's associative memory tool to improve reading comprehension. Poor working memory or attending skills are often misinterpreted as reading comprehension deficit. When a student scores poorly on reading comprehension tests, it's often not a problem with comprehension at all. You might assess a student you thought had poor reading skills and discover they can actually understand the meaning of single words and individual sentences with little difficulty. So when these students read longer passages, why can't they answer basic questions about the text? We can all relate to the experience of having to read the same passage over and over again simply because we had our mind on something else. We read each word on the page, and we have the skills required to understand the text. We were just mentally preoccupied and didn't follow the text in our mind. And more importantly, we didn't paint the mental pictures necessary to comprehend what we read. People with ADHD or dyslexia experience this same attention deficit, but in a more profound way. Gemiini's associative memory tool for reading comprehension uses a simple puzzle to help students practice focusing and paying attention. In this activity, students are shown a randomized sequence of images from the Gemiini clip library, and then asked to remember the order that each image was shown. When using this tool, students should be taught to imagine fun little stories that tie the images together in order to hold the information. As the teacher, you'll be able to choose from 2 to 30 images in a series. Over time, with enough practice, the increased attention gained from these activities will carry over to other tasks like reading. Well-known dyslexia interventions such as Linda Bell, Wilson, and Davis employ similar exercises. The difference with Gemiini is that once the strategy is taught to a student, they can use the tool on their own, at their own convenience, and at a greatly reduced cost than other forms of therapy. Follow these steps to set up an associative memory activity for your student. Log into Gemiini with your managing account. Select the Tools navigation button. Select Associative Memory from the Tools page. Under Type, choose whether to create a puzzle from items related to a certain theme or to use random items from one of our pre-made videos. If you choose Themes, select a theme from the drop-down menu. Toggle whether to use the same video for all puzzles in the activity. If this box is checked, you can toggle whether to scramble the order of the puzzle after each attempt, so that the puzzle is different each time. Under Difficulty, select Easy or Hard. The Easy level shows several images for each item in the puzzle, and gives the viewer more time to create the story. The Hard level shows only one image for each idea and forces the viewer to think fast in creating the story. Set the length of the puzzle. This is how many images the student will be shown. The greater the number, the more difficult the puzzle becomes. Toggle Automatic Difficulty Advancement to automatically add one more item to the puzzle after each correct attempt. Turning this on activates the Length of Puzzle goal menu. Select how many puzzle pieces you want to be the end goal of the puzzle. Toggle Play Sound when successful to enable or disable the sound effect after a correct answer. Turn this off for students with sensory issues who might be frightened or overstimulated by the sound. Once you've set up the puzzle, you can preview it, or assign it directly to your student by selecting the Assign button. Choose who you would like to assign the activity to, and select Send Assignment. It will appear on that student's assignments page. Select Play to start the activity. When you play the game, instruct your student to create a story in their mind that ties each item to the next one in the sequence.
Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen.
In the kitchen,
Boy, boy, boy.
a boy baked a cake.
Cat, cat, cat.
For his cat, Oscar. When the sequence is over, students remember the story to place each image in the correct order. In the kitchen, a boy baked a cake. For his cat, Oscar. The correct answer is shown. Then, the options are given to go to the next puzzle, repeat the same puzzle, or scramble the sequence of the same puzzle to try it in a different order. Select Finish to quit the activity. If you try this activity yourself, you'll feel your brain straining to remember the sequences. Children love to play it, but it can be mentally exhausting, so we recommend playing no more than 3 puzzles per sitting. Once the puzzles grow to be more than 15 images, even playing once through per day can be enough to see results. As with any therapy, expect to see gains over time. Attention and memory are neurological attributes, and it takes time to make an impact. For someone with profound dyslexia or academic challenges, it may require months of practice to reinforce neurological pathways. Gains made with Gemini's associative memory tool will eventually begin to bolster student performance in reading and other areas of academics. You'll notice students focusing better and remembering more information. So why wait to get started? Log into Gemini and set up an activity for your student today.